today I want to explain about how to use the paper shredder in the office. And the first one is turn on the paper shredder by pressing the on button like this. And the second one is prepare the paper that you will destroy. And beforehand, you have to make sure the paper don't have paper clips or staplers. And the next one is put the paper into shredder carefully like this. The tip of paper can cut the paper into very small pieces of paper, and wait for paper shredder to finish operating. And the last one is when you're done, you can press off the button to turn off the paper shredder. That's all for explanation about how to use paper shredder in the office. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.